Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dear students. This is Mujaz Hussain and hope you are doing well at your homes. Dear students, today we are going to learn about maintain office record, and this is our content list in which we will learn about record, electronic record, existence of electronic record, protect and preserve record, and in last enhancing ability to access record over time. So first of all, what is record? Record, the sum of organized accomplishments is called record. Office record is a very valuable asset of any organization, so it must keep in organized and maintained form. Dear students, in this video you will learn that how can we access and maintain the records without its physical existence. And after the completion of this lecture, you will able to maintain office records. So now electronic record, a digital record that can be manipulated, transmitted or processed by a computer, is known as electronic record. Electronic existence of electronic record. Electronic records are logical and cannot be read directly without the use of computer software and hardware. With the help of computer technology, many organizations are shifting from manual to electronic records by use of office automation tools such as word processing, spreadsheets, electronic mail and database management softwares. We can see number of organizations, even private sectors or government sectors, they are shifted from file-based system to automated file-based systems to database management system. Means they are using different tools, office tools for the recording, for the record, as they are keeping their record in a maintained and organized form. Attributes of electronic records. There are three attributes of electronic records. In number 1, content, number 2, context, and number 3, structure. So let's know about what is content, what the record says about, what about the record you have, and what the record says. This is your content, or this is a content. After content we have context. It is a background information that helps to explain the meaning of the document, what the document says about, and what is its total explanation about that documentation, and meaning of that document is totally defined in context. It includes context includes two types of information. Number 1, firstly, there is information that identifies the particular document, such as the title, author, and the date of creation. Secondly, there is information about the creator and the purpose of creation. So in first type, we will know, or we have information that identifies about the document, what the document is, for what about the document is, and the title of the document, and who is the writer of the document, and the date when that document is created. And in second type, there is information about the creator, who created, and who is the person who has created that document. We will learn about that person and what is the purpose of creation of that document, why that person created that record. We will know in this content. And then we have a structure. A structure relates to both the appearance and arrangement of the content, in which form or in which way you have arranged your content, and what is the appearance of that content, layout, in which for example the layout, fonts, page and paragraph, breaks, tables, graphs, charts and so on. These are the examples of appearance and arrangement of the content, and then the relationship of the records to other related records in the system. If you have a record and other records also available in your record, then what is the relation of that record to another one? Like if you have a class and it has a section A, section B, or it can be boys section and girls section, then what is the relation of that section A and section B? So they are actually the same class, but they are in different sections. After that, we have a preserved and protected. The record is preserved and protected by all means, so we have to follow these steps as we could preserve and protect our record by all means. So first of all, do not use C drives to store records. C drive basically is system drive in which operating systems are installed. Any type of operating system you are using, like Windows or any other, so it is a system drive. So do not try to store your records in C drive. In case of corruption of window, if your Windows corrupts, then your record will be removed, destroyed. So try to store your record in any other drive except C. Regularly clean up computers and network locations. Ensure your computer systems are configured with proper security system, antivirus software, password protection, and automatic time out lock features to restrict access to the passwords holders only. Like if you are using any software for keeping your record, so first of all you must check the security of system, the system which you are using, either that is protected or not, like that is locked or not. And then you must check, is there any antivirus software is installed in that PC, in that system or not. And also check there is any protection password is available or not. If not, then enable or create a password, and then the only authorized person can access your record. And then good record keeping involves keeping full and accurate documentation about which records were destroyed and which were kept safe. Good record is not involved only that if you have a record and you have kept that record in a organized and maintained form, then that is enough. No, you have to check that when you have entered any entity, when you have deleted or when you have changed or updated anything, then there should be knowledge about those things. So it means you have a good record keeping. And then always check that the website you are using is using secure links. Like we have two types of link, one HTTP, another one is HTTPS. So HTTPS is a secure. Try to use the links which are on HTTPS. Ensure that nobody is looking you during password typing, and always log out after finishing work or leaving the seat. So when somebody is looking at you, so do not try to enter the password, as she can know your password and then he can steal your record and can delete or any other can change in your record as well. Always install antivirus on your computer and be sure that all the software are properly updated. Like if you are using any antivirus, so try to buy the license key and get that one as you are getting update about that software, and all type of protections will be available in license. And if you are using free, then there will not be that software will not be capable to protect your PC from such type of malwares that can harm your PC or can harm your record or data. And last, we have enhancing ability to access record over time. So these are the basic general suggestions for enhancing the data ability. So first of all, do not use diskettes for long-term storage of permanent record. Means if you have to use any permanent record like a hard drive, you can use hard drive for the permanent record, but you cannot use diskettes for permanent record. But temporary storage on diskettes is acceptable. You can use for these diskettes and a floppy disk drive for just for temporary storage. Keep disk and tape drives clean and give them product preventative maintenance. Keep diskettes and tapes away from the strong electrical or magnetic field, otherwise your record will be removed or your tape magnetic disk your tape or your diskettes will be erased. All of type of the data will be removed from that diskette. And do not touch the recording surfaces of floppy diskettes. Do not break open their break open their outer shell. If you are using floppy, then do not try to uncover or discover its cover, otherwise it will be damaged or its data will be removed, and that will be not available for longer use. Do not allow unauthorized persons to have access to the computer or to the diskettes or tape files and records. Even people with good intentions can enter commands that will delete files or reformat hard disks. So either you have good friends, but they don't have much knowledge about the software which you are using for keeping records, maintain and organize. So he or she can format your record, can enter any command that can be harmful for your record. You can lose your record as well, and even they can assign your password to others, and your data or your record can be stolen. So is there any question, then comment, or I have provided my email address on the very first. So email me. I am available for you guys and I will help you. Is there any difficulty or is there any query regarding the topic? Stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.